Hi everyone, welcome to Skill Questers Hub. Let us explore magic commands in Jupyter Notebook. So magic commands are built-in commands that provide additional functionality beyond the normal Python commands. So these magic commands are prefixed with percentage or double percentage. Let's explore the command %pwd. So in Jupyter Notebook, the command %pwd is a magic command to display the current working directory. So this stands for print working directory. So this will show the folder path where the notebook is currently running. So let me run the command. So I'm pressing Shift Enter to run it. So this is the folder where this Jupyter Notebook is running. So this command pwd gives the folder path where the Jupyter Notebook is currently running. Next, let us explore the command %ls. So this is a magic command used to list all files and folders in the current working directory. So if you run this command, it will list the files and folders in this directory. So in this folder, magic commands. So let me run this. Okay, so if you run, it gives all the files present in this folder. It lists all the files and folders present in the current working directory. So these are the files and folders present. Okay, so this command is similar to the ls command in Linux and macOS and dir command in Windows. Next, let us see the command %cd. So this magic command is used to change the current working directory. So cd stands for change directory. So this allows us to move from one folder to another inside the notebook environment. So currently we are in, let me run the pwd command again. Okay, so here pwd shows the current working directory. So which is inside projects magic commands folder. Now inside this we have a folder test. You can see that listed in this ls command. So now I'm changing the working directory to test. The current working directory will change from magic commands to test. Okay, so let me run this. So now you can see it has changed from magic commands to the folder test within this magic commands folder. So this is how you can change the directory using this command. Okay. Next, let us see the command %who. So this is a magic command used to list all variable names currently in the notebook. Okay. So it will just give the names of the variables which are present in this notebook. So first let us run the command %who. So currently we haven't created any variable here. So if you run this, it will say that it is empty since we haven't declared any variable. So now let's run the command a equal to b equal to the list. So I'm running this and creating the variables a and b. Now if you run the command %who, you will get the list of the variables that are present in this notebook. So now you can see the variables a and b which we created now. Okay, next let us explore the magic command %whos. So this is a magic command used to display detailed information about the variables. So currently in this notebook, we have declared two variables, a and b. So this will display the detailed information of the variable. The who command just lists those two variables. So whos command will give a detailed information of it. Okay, so let me run the command. So here you can see the detailed information. So there are two variables in this notebook and their type. One is int, other is list, and it is giving the data that it holds. Next, let us explore the magic command %history. So the command %history is used to display the previously executed commands in the notebook. So previously we have executed 5 commands here. Okay. So pwd, ls, cd, who and whos. So these were the 5 commands that we have executed. Okay, and also we have created the variables a and b. So these are the commands. So this %history will give you a history of the previously executed commands in this notebook. Okay, so let me run this command. Okay, so now you can see the commands that we have previously run. So now you can see the command that we have previously run. Okay, the order in which they were executed will also be displayed. Okay, so next let us see the magic command %time. So %time is used to measure the execution time of a single statement. It runs the code and it gives the time that is taken for the execution of that particular piece of code. Okay, so this is useful to check the performance. So this is a code sum of range of 100,000. So this is the piece of code, and here if we give the %time and run, it will give the execution time taken to run this code. So let me run this code. Okay, so this gives you the CPU time and wall time. So this is the time taken to execute this particular piece of code. Next, let us explore the command timeit. So %timeit is a magic command used to measure the average execution time of a code statement. So we are giving the same code statement which we have given previously, and we are checking it. So this will give an average execution time. Okay. Okay, so this runs the code multiple times and it calculates the average of the execution time each time the code has been run. Okay, so let me run this code. Okay, so it took some time to run compared to the %time. So this gives the average execution time. Okay, so both these commands are useful in checking the performance of the code that is written. So both time and timeit is useful to check the performance of the code. Next, let us see the command %matplotlib. Okay, so %matplotlib is a magic command used to enable plotting inside the notebook. So this will enable the graph plotting inside this notebook. So this will allow the graphs to be displayed. Okay, so let me run this code. So the first line of code is %matplotlib inline. Okay, inline. So this is the code to enable the plotting. So shift enter to run it. And the next code that we see here is for plotting the graph. Okay, so here we are importing matplotlib pyplot and we are assigning to list. Okay, so these x is a list variable, y is a list variable. We are assigning the values and we are plotting it in a graph. So this is the code for that. So let me run this. So this will display the graph. Okay, so this has displayed the graph, you can see now. So next, let us see the command %run. So the %run is a magic command used to execute external Python script inside this notebook. Okay, so we have Python scripts which are .py files. So this command %run, it will directly run the Python scripts within this notebook. So to do that, first let us create a script. So the write file is used to create the file, and below that we are adding this text. Okay, let me run this. So writing script file. So this command %write file has created a file script.py, which is a Python script file. And we have added the text hello from script file into this file script.py. Okay, you must be able to see that in that folder. So I'm going to the folder Magic Commands. So here you can see the file script.py, which was created now. Okay, let me open this. Okay, so this is the text inside the script.py. Okay, let's close this. Okay, now let's go back to this notebook. So here we have created the file and added this below text. Okay, now we will run that external script file script.py, which we created here inside the notebook. And for this is the command %run magic command is used to do that. So write this command and let me run it. Shift enter. So now you can see this has executed the Python script.py. I have prepared a reference guide with the commands that we have discussed here. You can also refer that. I will be sharing the link to this reference guide in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.